Appreciation is the increase in the value of real estate. And among the four wealth generators in real estate, appreciation is often the most significant. There are a variety of things that can affect appreciation. An increase in the net operating income of a property creates appreciation, as does a decrease in cap rates. Calculating the amount that a property has appreciated over time is quite simple. Just take the current market value, subtract the original value or purchase price, and the difference is the amount of appreciation. Over time, appreciation is certainly one of the biggest of the four wealth generators in investment real estate.